Hey, if you're looking for some affordable high-quality speakers, I've got you covered. I've had these Redragon speakers for over about 3 years now, and I can definitely confirm that they do have an excellent sound quality. Very clear, very rich. I have paired these speakers with my gaming setup, and I've been satisfied with how they perform. I like how you can customize these speakers with just one touch. There are 4 modes, a red breathing mode, there's this static rainbow, and there's also this flowy rainbow one, as well as this color changing one. And if you think it's just too flashy, you can definitely just turn it off like that. And here you will have your wheel where you can adjust your volume.
Rose woke up one sunny day, smelled something sweet from miles away. A little secret wait for me. Flower in the air, sugar in my hair.
So yeah, if you're looking for some speakers that are affordable and give you that rich crystal sound, I would definitely recommend these.